Aw man, my check engine light turned on again. Welcome ladies and gentlemen, my name is SoirEkim, and today we're going to take a look at this check engine light that I've got on. As you can see, the check engine light is on. So the part we're going to need to fix that is going to be from Duralast. It is the PV423 Purge valve. First thing you got to do is, and then open it up. And then you gotta take the filter off. Tube too if you have one. This part just comes off. And then it's right here. This is the purge valve. All you gotta do is take the clip off and push this clip right here. Push it in and pull the hose. Ouch, my engine is still hot. And then I'm going to use a 10mm socket to remove. So let's take that off. Once you have the screw loose, just pull that off, pull the part out, and swap it with the new one. Reattach the screw, and then reconnect the cable and the hose. And that's it. Now if you want to test this part, while the engine's running, disconnect this plug, remove the hose, and if you feel a vacuum on the end of the little nipple, then your part's no good. And then just put your part back. That's all there is to it. If this video made it easy for you, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.